Let's make homemade French bread. In our stand-up mixer, we put 2 1/4 cup warm water with 1 1/2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of yeast. Then we added 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 cups of flour, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and give that all a mix up. Then we added more flour, 2 more cups of flour to the mix, put it all in a greased bowl, covered it, and then let it rise. Sprayed our counter with butter, turned out that bread, cut it into half because it made 2 loaves, and rolled it out to about 9 by 13, and then roll it up from the long side over, tucked in the ends, and put it on our silicone mat baking tray to rise some more, and then pulled it out, made little slits in the top after it had risen, and then baked it for just 25 minutes at 375. And we had put some ice cubes in the bottom, and then had a beautiful French bread to enjoy with some fresh strawberry butter that we made. And we did that in another TikTok. So follow that one to see how we made fresh strawberry butter.